Welcome back to Car Compass. Today we're diving into a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a Victorian-era sci-fi novel, an extraordinary steampunk motorcycle that blends art, engineering, and imagination. This isn't just a bike, it's a masterpiece. With polished brass and copper elements, exposed gears, and intricate engravings, every inch of this motorcycle tells a story of craftsmanship and creativity. The heart of this machine features a custom-built engine inspired by classic steam-powered designs. The exposed pipes and pressure gauges give it that authentic Industrial Revolution vibe, making it a true fusion of history and innovation. A handcrafted leather seat with brass rivets, spoked wheels with metallic filigree, and aged leather-wrapped handlebars complete the aesthetic. Every detail is designed to transport you into a world where elegance meets mechanical ingenuity. While it may look like it runs on steam, this bike is fully functional, combining classic design with modern mechanics to create a ride that's as thrilling as it is stunning. What do you think of this incredible steampunk creation? Would you ride one of these down the streets? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's episode on Car Compass. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unique vehicle showcases. See you in the next one.